Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the aLLreLi 4-port quick charge 3.0 Type C USB wall charger for United Kingdom, Europe, United States, Australia, what you like. It's compatible with so many different countries. It's really nice and good to use and easy to use travel adapter. The ultra powerful one Type C port with one QC 3.0 port and two intelligent ports, enough to simultaneously charge several devices and optimal safe performance. 4 times the charge power is possible. 4 ports are included on this USB wall charger, so we can keep all of our devices at full charge while traveling. And we leave our computer at home. This portable USB charger allows us to plug in our favorite electronics without needing to carry around the treasured laptop to do so, okay? That's really easy. Of course, you can use your laptop too, no problem. But I think this is a better version here of it because it's tiny and small, it's travel, and it's awesome for travel. It's perfect for travel. This international USB charger is perfect for charging our electronics safely in the United Kingdom, Europe, United States, and Australia. So you can see nearly on the entire world you can recharge your devices. And safe design travel charger has over voltage, over current and short circuit protection. It meets CE, ROS and UL certification, required to give us peace of mind. Traveling abroad is an exciting time, but we aren't going to want to leave our mobile devices and electronics at home while driving. They are important for being able to capture and document our travels, as well as to keep up with what is happening at home. Charging them all can seem difficult or may be impossible, as we make our way through different countries with unique power outlets. And most USB wall charger units will only be able to be used in small numbers of countries. The Quick Charge 3.0 USB charger, or by aLLreLi Type C USB wall charger, is a charger meant to taking on our travel that included 4 separate plug attachments to fit international outlets such as Europe, United States, UK, and Australia ports. This travel charger gets rid of the need to carry a plug adapter or voltage adapter along with us on the go. The unit comes with 2 intelligent ports that can detect and charge 2 devices quickly and safely using intelligent ports, and a USB Type-C port, so that we can quickly and easily power up to a total of 4 units at once. Compatible units included are, for example, Android smartphones, Bluetooth headsets and speakers, digital cameras, e-readers, handheld gaming systems, GPS units, iPhones, for example, iPads, Samsung Galaxy tablets, and many, many more. The Quick Charge 3.0 charger by aLLreLi, also features overcurrent, over voltage and short circuit protection that complies with the CE, ROS and UL certifications to ensure that ensures our devices are safe no matter where we charge them. We connect the iPod, for example, with the adaptive USB socket using the Apple supplied 30-pin connected cable for it. We insert the power adapter into the wall power outlet and the LED will light up. After charging, we disconnect the devices in reverse order. Easily. We can also connect the power adapter to an Apple dock and place the iPod and iPad in the dock there. That's possible too. For example, we can charge mobile devices. Port 1 is a Type-C port. This is a standard Type-C port which supports Type-C devices. The port current is maximum up to 3.0 ampere. Port 2 and 3 are smart IC ports. This is for our devices to deliver its fast charger speed up to 2.4 amperes per port. Automatically identification of the equipment which you dock into it. We do not need to find the most suitable USB output to charge. We just plug it in and let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Recharge your devices on these smart ports. And there's a port number 4, the Quick Charge 3.0 port. This is the standard QC 3.0 port, which support QC 3.0 devices, of course. Quick Charge technology supports 3.6 volts up to 6.5 volts 3 ampere, 6.5 volts to 9 volts 2 ampere, and 9 volt to 12 volt with 1.1 ampere, which makes our phone charger more quickly. Easy peasy, that's cool and easy peasy. Yes, indeed, it is. To shut off the power completely, we have to disconnect the power adapter from its power source. We don't open the power adapter, of course. Before using the power adapter, we check the USB ports to ensure there's no foreign objects with it. And when handling the power adapter, always hold it by the sides and keep our fingers away from the metal parts. That's the safest way of it. We ensure the power adapter has sufficient airflow around to prevent overheating and damaging adjacent objects. We don't force the connector into the USB slot or wall power outlet if the connector match the port and both are correctly aligned. In multiple locations of the world, whenever and wherever our mobile devices need energy, we can use that device here. And we clean the power adapter with a clean, dry cloth. We keep the metal connectors clean. This will help maintain the performance better. And if the LED status indicator does not light up, we make sure that the unit is properly plugged into the wall. If the indicator still fails, maybe there is a fail function. But I think it's not often like this. You see, it's easy, it's fast, it's aLLreLi 4-port quick charge wall charger for nearly the entire world. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.